The news now, an owner of the embattled Central Texas pool company Moonlight Pool and Spa has filed for Chapter 7 bankruptcy in a federal court in Waco. 6 News reporter Mike Rogers has been on the case from the start and joins us now live in the studio with the new details. Mike?
Yeah, Lindsay, Virl Gambino says for the over 275 different creditors, including customers who are owed between $1 and $10 million, Locke's financial situation shows they likely won't be getting their money back and may have to settle with a judgment in court and Locke possibly behind bars.
The pursuit of compensation for the customers of Moonlight Pool and Spa may be hitting a dead end. One of the company's owners, Kevin Locke's newly released bankruptcy filings in a Waco federal court shows he owes as many as 275 different creditors, including customers, between $1 and $10 million.
I can't imagine that he did it for any reason except to defraud people.
Locke and his business partner, Michael Rem, have charges filed against them in several different cities and counties throughout Central Texas for what Gambino, who is not representing any parties in this case, calls a pattern of fraudulent business practices.
I'm taking your money, it's going to take this long, and I'm going to give you a pool at the end of it. And he's done none of that.
In the filing, Locke's assets are listed between $100,000 and $500,000, a fraction of the cost of his estimated liabilities, or money owed, which sits between over $1 million to $10 million. Debts, Gambino says, will likely not be paid back in whole to creditors or customers.
A judge might say, okay, it's terrible. He took a lot of people for money, but he didn't do anything violent. So we're not going to send him to prison. We're going to give him probation and whatever. Nobody's going to be made whole by this. There's too much owed.
Gambino says it will be up to the federal court judge to determine what assets Locke can reimburse his creditors with, but says the filing will stay on his credit report for up to 10 years.
As for Locke's business partner, Michael Rem, Gambino says creditors would be well within their rights to go after him for compensation, as Rem has not filed for bankruptcy to this point. The court says Locke must attend a meeting with creditors on May 16th at 10:30 a.m. to answer questions under oath, and that obviously includes customers from Moonlight. Lindsay?
I can imagine there will be a lot of tension in that courtroom. All right, thanks, Mike.